When the weekend's here and you're feeling kinda low, bored and restless, don't know where to go, but you know that tech could be your saving grace. With AI by your side, you'll find your place. You're missing out on all the latest trends, but AI has got your back, it's your tech friend. When ideas are lacking, it's no need to fret, just let the algorithms guide you. Don't forget, hey hi ho, tech forget. Don't forget, hey hi ho, techfren stream. Techfren stream is your virtual tree, and let the digital world be your guide. Techfren stream is by your side. Oh oh oh.
To be fair,
Is this AI generated song LOL?
It sure is. I'm just trying to set up on what do we call this? X here. Bro, where's might as well show you screen. What's up, what's up?
Hello Zed, have Claude Link Sonnet free for coding?
Zed? Oh really? Oh yeah, I actually heard they do give you some free usage. Unfortunately it's not on Windows though. I'm on Windows. Bro, where's the premium? Where's the X Media Studio? Why is it so hard to create a broadcast?
From learn to Angular, we've seen it all. Text rise and look, then they fall. But now there's a new kid on the block.
Why?
It's time to rock. Neural networks transformers too. And ball tokens breaking through. Prompt engineering on new art. Vector databases, so smart. LLM stack, the next
Let's try stream
revolution.
from Restream. Bro, why?
Observability, inference to testing, experimenting,
Time it out.
breakthrough.
Alright, seems we can schedule it.
We've broken free. Doing gaps now, history, security concerns will face head on. LLM stack, we carry on. Fine-tuning models, transfer learning, attention mechanisms, always yearning. Tokenizers, optimizers in the mix. Hyperparameter tuning for the fix.
Alright.
Always yearning. Tokenizers, optimizers in the mix. Hyperparameter tuning for the fix.
Hopefully this works.
LLM stack, the next revolution. Scaling apps with new solutions.
Yeah, what's up?
Observability, inference to
Where is it?
testing,
Okay. Yes. I have some news. I released Clickless Cage version 0.01 on GitHub, and I'm trying to release it on the Chrome extension store as well, but that has been a little bit difficult. So yeah, but now you can just download it from here and put it into Chrome without having to do anything in the terminal, and you'll have Clickless Cage. And for those who don't know what clickerless cage is, you can kind of type whatever you want and it tries to go and do what you say. So, you know, take actions on the web for you. So I could say, go to Twitter and tweet, why is it so hard to get streaming working on X now? Sad face. Submit. And let's see what it does. Oh shit. Okay. Normally doesn't take as long, so I assume something is broken. Every time I try to demo this, it breaks. Damn. You know, I don't want to spend my time debugging it today, so I don't know. We'll just try it one more time. Write a tweet saying hi. Okay. Maybe some caching issues. There we go. And there it was able to tweet hi really easily. It's super fast. It doesn't use vision, and you can choose the build version only has OpenAI models, so you can choose kind of even GPT-4o mini might have been able to do that. Let's try something else. Let's say go to techfren channel on YouTube, find their latest
Interesting
video
extension.
and write a comment. Thank you, Envy.
Viewers viewers on link.
There you go. It's going to YouTube. It's clicked on the live video. Oh, it's trying to share it. You can choose the build version only has. Oh, it's creating a post. Models, so you can choose. Okay. So that didn't work too well. I think GPT-4o mini isn't as smart as we would like. We can try the same thing with GPT-4o. Let's say go to the YouTube channel techfren, find a video, open it, comment on it. Okay, let's search techfriend. It's opened my channel. It's scrolled. Okay. Looks like it's stuck. I'm gonna leave it though. I think it probably broke or something. But yeah, it's a very early version. Oh no, it's still trying to do stuff. Very early version, still a lot of things to fix and make polished, but it works sometimes, as you saw with the tweet. Like, it works for basic things. In the future, I want to, you know, add voice, add document uploading, document saving, a bunch of other features, but yeah, it's quite just a basic version, and it's completely open source, so you can go and check out the source code as well on GitHub. Yeah. All right. I think what I was oh yeah, and I've also added the chat here, so you can now chat to it. So I can say, click on the open interpreter video and leave a comment inside. Let's see if that works. Oh, also I've messed up this thing that sometimes if it tries to click on something that's blocked by the chat, it won't do it. Yeah, well, looks like it's not working too well. Anyway, I do want to work on this on stream one time, but the issue is every time I like make a change, it refreshes the whole Chrome driver, so like chat refreshes and stuff. Oh, I just realized I'm not live on TikTok. Let me set that up. Oh, I like cheese. What's up? Sorry, I don't have messages coming through that are less than like 3 words. I can change that. Let's change this as well. Here, hide basic messages. We'll copy this. this into OBS. And let me set up TikTok live. But yeah, pretty much this stream, I think I'm going to be continuing testing out some of the full stack like AI software engineers. There's like 3 of them that I haven't tested at all yet, that I really want to test. So we'll do that. The idea that I want to make like this app to find people to play tennis with. Doesn't really exist where I am, or at least no one uses anything. So if I make one, it would be super sweet. Okay, and I think now we're live on TikTok. Let's have a test to see if that's the case. If I go hello.
Hello.
Excellent. Nice. We're live on TikTok as well. Okay. And also I'm gonna quickly shout out for visit later on once my video finishes processing, but that's still processing. Okay, so if you didn't watch last stream, we kind of looked at data button, amplification, lazy we've done many times, marbleism we briefly did last stream, but we've done it many times before. Robocoder, that's, I think we've probably spent the most time on Robocoder, if I'm not mistaken. And they've just added GitHub integration, which is interesting. Actually, kind of, maybe let's quickly try it, see what that looks like. So if you go to robocoders.ai, you don't even need to sign in, sign up, or pay anything. You can quickly test it out. And they have this repo agent here now, which I didn't have before. Before it was just a coding agent or whatever. But now they have the repo agent. So if you, oh, you can have 2 agents? Oh no, you can only have 1. All right, repo agent, and this one can actually talk to, oh, and they have browser now. Okay, they didn't have browser before. Repo agent can talk to GitHub repositories. So let's give it Clickerless Cage and see, I don't know, we'll ask some basic questions on it. Can you clone this? Let's see if it can clone this. Oh yeah, it totally can. You can see here in the terminal, it can clone that repository. I guess it'll have access to all the files and we can talk about it. I'm not sure if you even need to clone it, but we have anyway. Yeah. Looks like it's taking a while though. Oh, we live on X? Oh no, we're not. Maybe in 2 minutes. Okay, looks like it's stuck or something. Okay. Definitely shouldn't be taking this long to clone. So let's start a new task. And let's just ask a question about a Git repo. It's like a whole bunch of static. Hey, it's like a whole bunch of. I think I can turn that off. Hold on. I'm using NVIDIA Broadcast here. If I go microphone. I don't know. This is on pretty high noise removal. That should be removing the noise. I don't know why it's not. Okay, looks like it is now. Maybe just because the strength was far down. Hopefully that makes the experience a bit better. Also feel like the gain is a bit high, which we will turn down a bit. Hello, test 1 2. Okay, gain. Okay, yeah, that's better. All right, where were we? Let me know if it's too soft. and we can change it. Okay, we have a new thing. Let's just say, what can you tell me about this repository? Let's see if we can just answer a basic question about the repository. Let's start by, okay, looks like it wants to clone it anyway. Unfortunately...
Hi, Ashish here tried Blackbox RE, it was slow, and said server full. Are there any premium plans available?
Oh, Ashish, hey. I'm not sure. Did you try it on blackbox.ai? Honestly, I'm not even getting it to work with the new Git repo thing. I see this as more of a toy than a like actual thing, but I think this blackbox.ai seems more polished.
Your video link.
My video link? Oh yeah, robocoders. Yeah, I don't know. I haven't even there's no option to sign in or anything, so I'm not sure. It seems more like just like a proof of concept at this stage. But we are going to be testing things that look more polished, like probably right now, seeing as we can't even get past the Git clone stage, unfortunately, on this. Where I left off, Valtoown. Let's have a look at this. Features. You can do a lot with Valtoown. You can do cron jobs, so scheduling functions to happen at a particular time or intervals. You can create APIs. You can email yourself, share and learn in a community, input from NPM.
The Robocoders video, when you browse Blackbox RE in Google, there is a login page.
Yeah, on the Blackbox AI, there's a login page, but not in the Robocoders. But yeah, I don't know. I haven't really used it extensively, so I'm not too sure about what their plans are and stuff. Okay, so vals are small JavaScript or TypeScript snippets of code written in the browser and run on our servers. Create scheduled functions, email yourself, and persist small bits of data.
Sup, G.
Okay. They say so. It looks like it's just like a backend thing. Yo, Godzilla, what's up? And not really like a full stack. Like, oh,
You got TTS.
They do have a front end. Yeah, I got TTS now. It's fine when there's not too many people, but eventually it gets pretty chaotic.
Fancy.
So, yeah, I wish we had better options for voice. I'm using what am I using? Social Stream Ninja for this. Alright, let's just have some fun with this. Let's play around. Looks like you can auth with GitHub. It accesses your email and profile info.
Is this being routed locally through your machine or some kind of web app API?
Yeah, the text-to-speech is through my machine, but obviously the chat comes in through not like API, it reads off the browser. Like, I'll show you the software. This is it, Social Stream Ninja. So it actually has all the chats open, and yeah, it just routes them through this software and reads them out. And there's like a bunch of other stuff, but yeah, that's pretty much the main gist of it.
The delay seems not bad.
Yeah, it's actually pretty decent. Okay, your first val. Try out the following. Edit the following code where it says edit this text.
Check that out.
Click save and preview. Below the code, view the browser preview. Okay, so this is like a basic test.
Sorry for derailing, LOL.
No, you're good. Okay. So you do kind of get a front end as well if you, I guess any server can return front end HTML. So, okay, that's pretty simple. How did you hear about Valtoown? I have no idea. Okay, create a val using Townie the val bot. So you can do basic natural language to create a town? What do they call it? Create a val, sorry. And They say they have to be small. So, I saw Indie Dev Dan kind of do something like there's the change log in cursor. So change log. Here we go. New chat UX. Oh, they're still rolling this out. Composer is on default. Composer projects, which allow you to share context among several composers. Oh, that's pretty cool. Cursor tab is more smarter. Auto inputs. Yo, Ronald Duck. What's up, man? Welcome. I don't know. Let's just say, like, can we create, write a val that, oh, I can't even type here. What the hell? Why can't I type here?
One gifted. Gifted 1 techfren memberships.
Hey, Prince. Good to see you. Thank you for the gift. How have you been?
Their team is scary fast at pushing features.
Cursor? Yeah, well, they're just blowing up.
Can I ask for a star on GitHub? TikTok.
Yeah, what's the project name? No, you gifted Salah.
What's up, bro?
That's pretty funny. I mean, I guess he maybe kind of deserves it. Yo, Manbir Singh, what's up? We're trying out Townie. It can create like simple backend stuff, it seems. So I'm gonna say like scrape. I still can't type, dude. Looks like you can't type.
You can watch TikTok on PPY.
Oh, your project's called TTY Talk. Let's see. GitHub.
Yo, techfren, what's up, man?
TTY Talk. This one? Yo, Hadrian, good to see you back. We're still testing out software engineering AI tools.
My friend.
Is this it? Is this it, Ronald? Oh, it's your friends. You watch TikTok in your browser? Is that what it is? It allows you to monitor live streams, chat events, and user actions in real time using various tools and utilities. What?
Did you already check out github.com/jan?
github.com/Jan. Yeah, Jan. Ages
In
ago.
command line.
Oh yeah, that's sick. Yeah, I've tried Jan ages ago. This is pretty cool. Yeah, I'll give you a star.
Have you tried OpenSora?
OpenSora? I have not. Let's have a look. Is it good? Let's look at some examples.
Thank you.
Oh, that's pretty decent. Yeah, that's the latest step. Yeah, I mean, how big are the weight? Oh, it's only 1.1B. Wow. No, I haven't tried it. But it's definitely good that we're getting an open source video model. Like what other open source video models do we have? Not many that I know of. Looks like this one's pretty popular too. I'll star this one too. They have a Gradio demo on Hugging Face, which is always nice.
I have Radeon AMD graphics card. How do I install CUDA for this?
CUDA on AMD. There's, I don't know, I heard about something that lets you do CUDA on AMD, but I don't know, personally I haven't experienced or tried it.
I
so
use
I'm not
Gradio
sure.
a lot. Alternative.
The alternative, I think, is called Rocm, ROCM. That's like the AMD driver or whatever it's called.
What are you
Taking
doing?
ages to load.
Might have to get Vulkan for AMD.
Or Vulkan. What am I doing? I was trying to test some AI software engineers, specifically Valtoown, but it doesn't even look like I can type anything in this input field. What if I manually like edit the code? Okay. Value equals scrape. Oh, that didn't work. Wow. Here. Great. Hey, okay. Prompt must be okay. No, it didn't work here. Yeah, it looks like, I don't know, they've made it so you can only do the predefined prompts, which is a bit annoying. So I don't know. Looks like I can't probably try this. Doesn't seem to let you type in the input field for the AI. Okay. Well, we can move on to the next one. Builders.io, build AS. Text to software in minutes, limitless customization, trusted by Antler, Google, and AWS, supposedly. Okay, let's have a look at their pricing. Describe your idea. Chat with Lizzie. Okay. Oh my god, no free tier? $300 a month is their basic plan. Okay, I'm definitely not paying that.
That's heavy, bro.
Request matches. I want to do an app where tennis players can request matches with people in their area. I don't know. This is a very like vague prompt. Oh, you get a 1 month free trial. That's good. But I don't know if that means you have to pay and then you get a 1 month free trial. I'm here to test it for you guys, so you don't have to give them your email. Yo, Nick Tog, what's up? I want to get the hold on. Let's get the TikTok viewer account on screen. Can we do that?
Wasu you oop.
Oh, yo, I see Fru. What's good? Yo, we live on X yet? Having a very difficult time going live on X. Nope. Ooh. Oh, sweet. Nice. So it looks like we can actually try yo, Nick, thanks for the 105 likes.
Keep it, bro.
Nice,
Love your
Keep
channel.
it, bro. Love you channel.
Man, I wish we had the TikTok voice for everyone, but unfortunately, this will make double voice. Thank you, Mansoor. I assume you mean keep it up. I appreciate that. I'm gonna have to hide this one. Okay. Okay, so it's asking some follow-up questions.
Welcome to techfren super member.
Hey, Prince, welcome. Finally, you buy your own sub instead of gifting for everyone else. Amazing. Good to have you on board. GPS, match scheduling, player matching. Which of these features do you think will not need for your app?
One gifted. Gifted 1 techfren memberships.
Let's leave out ratings and newsfeed. Thanks for the gifted, Prince. Noted. Would you like to add any
One
other
gifted.
features?
Gifted 1 techfren memberships.
Another gift. Thank you, Prince. TikTok, thanks for the likes. This is fine for now. Okay. Let's see if it actually starts building anything.
One gifted.
What would be
Gifted
the
1 techfren
business name?
memberships.
Oh, another gift. Prince is crazy with the money. What do we call it? Tennis matcher. Or
What
like,
are we trying today, my brew? Use cursor LOL.
use cursor? Yeah.
Thanks for doing
I
cursor
definitely
has helped so much.
Yeah, cursor is great, and I normally do use cursor.
Tennis tinned.
Tennis Tinder? That is a good name, but I want to avoid like Tinder as a name. But yeah, I am curious. Like these kind of tools promise to do like actually deploying the app and such. So that's why I want to try them. And I think
What
like
is this?
I think these type of tools are better
$300 per month.
for
Whoa.
people that aren't
It's like having a team
engineers
of 3 junior
or knowing
engineers.
code. Yeah, dude, cursor, yeah, is amazing. And so is Ada, and like it's just like since Sonnet 3.5 was released, like the coding capabilities have just skyrocketed. Let's just go tennis matcher or like racket. Like wait. How about let's play?
So is what?
Let's play is fine.
Ager?
Aider,
Didn't
AIDER.
catch it.
I personally prefer Aider. I think it has more capabilities. It's open source as well, which is like a huge plus. But it runs in the terminal, so it doesn't have a nice IDE like Cursor does. And there's another open source IDE similar to Cursor that's coming out called Pear AI. But that is like still in development. Yeah, and then I don't know. I've heard a lot of good things about
Oh,
Zed.
interesting.
Zed is only on Mac and Linux at the moment, but they give you free usage of Sonnet to a limit, but pretty good. And
Zed
then
is good too.
yeah. Oh, you've tried Zed too? Yeah, nice.
I
But yeah,
installed Zed earlier today. Seems cool.
nice. Wait, could you please upload the logo? No, I don't have a logo. I'll quickly create a logo. Use ideogram for a modern logo, modern minimalistic logo for a tennis matchmaking app called Let's
Is there a
Play.
place you go to for reference of new tools?
I don't go to one particular place, but yeah, I mean,
What's
I
the
have
best
my
you have found for complete code creation from prompts?
I have my Discord community. I'm on Twitter, TikTok, just Reddit, all the communities. And I get like, new tools coming out every day, man. The best I found for complete code creation from prompts? It's a good question. I wouldn't say there's a particular best, but even Cursor and Ada are probably pretty good. Lazy AI is really good. Marbleism is really good. Yeah, I'd say probably one of those. Okay, these look nice. Let's play. Let's generate 4 more. The beauty with AI, you can just click a button and have like thousands of iterations.
My
Well,
swear
that
offer got
sounds pretty
rescinded, so I'm trying SARS now, lol.
good. Yeah. Dude, it's been hard especially with all these new coding agents. It's like I feel the demand for software engineers is kind of like dropping. Hey. Okay. I think I kind of like the one with the person.
How many
This one.
AI services do you pay for?
How many do I pay for? That's a great question. Let me think. I'm paying for ChatGPT. ChatGPT. What else am I paying for? Paying for Cursor. Although I don't think I'm going to renew Cursor. The reason I'm paying for ChatGPT mostly is for
Are you based in the US?
Was for the advanced voice. No, I'm in Australia. I'm using this thing called SGPT, by the way, guys. It lets me write plain text and say something like, Say something like SGPT
You should
dash
visit
shell
Chicago.
convert logo.webp to logo.jpg using FFmpeg. Visit Chicago? Yeah, I should. Chicago and Miami are on my
I use
list.
my personal custom GPTs daily, so I get my money's worth.
Nice. Oh yeah, do you need GPT Plus for custom GPTs? Okay, we got the logo. Here we go. Come on, please work. There we go.
To make them, yes.
To make them you do. Okay, interesting. What do your custom GPTs do? I see through. Okay, can you provide your work email address so we can send updates and reach you in the future? What the frick? This is so weird. I've never had a flow like this. Personally, I don't really like it asking all these questions. But okay. Looks like it's finally starting to code. Who knows how long this will take? They say hang tight for a sec. It's definitely been more than a sec. We'll just see what happens.
I've always used them the way people use Claude projects. That's the
I
closest
see.
comparison.
So you like upload documents.
Have you checked out Cody?
Yeah, I checked out Cody ages ago. Congrats, your app is 30% ready, and due to the complexity of your app, I'll need to engage additional developers to assist. However, you'll be able to view your app and see the features at letsplay.builders.io. Please keep this link to be able to view your app later. Here is the roadmap. 2 weeks? Bro, they say it's gonna take 2 weeks for the initial preparation, including setting up the development environment. This is like actual team of it. Bro, do you reckon that's why they're charging $300 a month, is because they got like a team of like Indians behind the scenes working on this? What? It's just like literally sending it to India. It's like the
The server's literally sending it to India.
it's the what do you call it?
Whack.
The Amazon strategy. Alright, let's see what happens if I click this URL. Is there anything there?
MTurk.
MTurk, yeah, Mechanical Turk. Oh shit, okay. So they have the basic dashboard.
2 weeks for doing npm commands is crazy.
Oh, bro. This is crazy for sure. Bulk PDFX. So it's just like a freaking SaaS boilerplate that we've got running here. Honestly, I'm not very impressed. Let's write our comments here. Basic plan is $300 a month. Lots of questions asked on intro.
Have you played with WebSime yet?
Estimated dev time 2 months plus. WebSim, yeah, I have a few videos on it on my YouTube. WebSim is so much fun.
Why aren't you renewing Cursor?
Why aren't I renewing Cursor? Great question. I think I'm gonna start using Ada again. Initially, when I got Cursor, I thought it worked out to be cheaper for the Claude usage, but I was wrong. I guess unless you like fill up the context every time, which I'm definitely not doing. But so Cursor is 500 500 like pretty much, what do you call them, like sonnet calls per month. And I think on average, like each one of my sonnet calls costs around like 5 cents on Ader for what I do. So that's like, oh, that is cheaper. So I did calculate it to be cheaper.
Are those notes you make common Notion? Can you paste the link?
Yes. I can give you the link. How should I do that? I need to put it on my website. I'll put it on my website. Call it stream notes. Do that for you now. All right. I actually made this website originally with GPT Engineer. Structure is a bit weird. Pages index. Okay, here we go. In projects, hold on. Here. Let's go projects. I'll just paste this here.
Does it integrate to VS Code?
This is what integrate into VS Code. Cursor? Cursor is like a fork of VS Code, so it's kind of like cloning VS Code and building its own features on top of it. So you kind of use it instead of VS Code. But you'll have all the features that you had on VS Code, so all your extensions and stuff will work. All right, stream notes. Notes I take on stream.
Builders is cool, but $300 a month. No.
No, I don't even think it's cool yet. Well, it depends what they do. Like, honestly, no. I was not impressed at all. Wait, that's not even the link. What picture should I put? I don't have a picture. What happens if I do no picture? I don't know. This might break it. Okay, just wait like 10 minutes for this to deploy, and then you can see the link to my notes on the website.
Claude Dev just got an update. Some say it is better than Ada.
Yeah, I've been like slowly watching Claude Dev.
Can't see Cursor not becoming the most popular-eyed soonish.
Oh, definitely. Dude, look at the, can you see like Google search trends? Have a look at Cursor. Oh no.
Since everyone is hopping on Cursor and trying to build apps, more content that shows the basic app components of certain languages would be cool. Would help noobs learn what they should be prompting. The new Claude artifacts looks pretty awesome. I haven't really played with it much yet.
Age's popular in France. There's a new Claude artifacts or the same like Claude artifacts? Did they change anything? Everyone hopping on Cursor try to build apps. More content that shows the basic app components of certain languages would be cool.
The same one.
What do you mean by that? I see through. Basic app components of certain languages. To help noobs know what they should be prompting. Alright, I hope this doesn't break my website. Yeah. I've heard good things about SoftGen. Is it SoftGen? Yeah, how much was the pricing for that? Like, I low-key might just pay for it.
Gemini Dev API votes starting tomorrow. Hey, how's it going, man?
Yo, Fuad, what's up? I think I already... Oh, you know, I was pissed off with SoftGen because they don't say anything about pricing until you sign up. And then as soon as you sign up, they hit you with the pricing page. And I took that personally. I need to write that. Okay. All right. So I think like out of all of these, Marvelism actually might be, if they fix, which I think they have fixed a lot of the like little bugs, small bugs
Builders
and stuff.
AI, but not have AI coder, is a team of juniors coders. My both
Yeah.
Xcode Insiders is much better than VS Code. There's a lot of AI services that make you sign up and then show pricing.
I know, I hate
What
that.
you are doing. Like
What's
what is
VS
the
Code
common structure
Insiders?
of a Link app, or a Streamlabs app, or a Flask app, etc. What languages go together in the way people are learning to ask for HTML, CSS, JS.
But that's the thing
Stuff
I
like
see through.
that.
Like, do you even need to know the structure and like best practices? Like, I feel like these days, all you should like we're heading towards what you need is just you
Check it out one
explaining.
day, much cooler.
You just explaining what you want to see, and then all the like abstractions, best practices, structure, and shit is just taken care of. Yo, Al Sadak, I am trying to build an app using these AI coding tools, particularly the ones that.
Yeah, software engineers turning into PMS.
Yeah,
You're basically
exactly.
orchestrating the software at this point.
That's exactly right. I'm trying to do okay. Ashish, if you go to techfren.net now, click on my open source projects. Yes, stream notes. You can click that now, and you should be able to see my notes. Nice. So what's Marbleism's pricing? 5 iterations for free, 2 app generations for free, or you pay $20 a month for unlimited iteration, unlimited hosting. That is an amazing price. I think this is pretty good. I'm going to try and make my app with Marbleism, see how that goes. So I'm trying to make an app where tennis players can sign up and put.
Have you tried Suno for
out.
music generation? I'm
Yeah, I
really
love
impressed.
Suno. Yeah, I have all my intro music on my streams is done by Suno. And put a call out to request a match with other players in their area. Users can chat and organize matches. Okay, pretty basic. I'm just trying to create kind of like almost like a Tinder for tennis, but without all the things that Tinder you'd think of normally. Kind of just like a matchmaking for tennis. Let's see how Marbleism does. From my experience, I think Marbleism is probably one of the most polished kind of SaaS creators. Let's see how it goes. Okay, no, this is an old project that I made. Oh, did it lose
Marbleism, just expand the user prompt size, guys.
my... No, they have, yeah. This is the user prompt size. Up to 1,000. Like, we could definitely put more key words here. Should I put more? Yeah, let's go. Users can create profiles specifying their home club, preferred, home club, UTR rating. What else would they want to know? Availability. That's good enough. Project type. Okay. AI app marketplace. It's social network. It's called Let's Play. Modules. Okay, landing page, payment, SaaS organization, socket, pusher, job schedule. Okay, we'll just have landing page and socket. We're gonna go light theme. I think that works better for a social network. And won't let me press next. I wonder why. Oh, because I need to pay to create more projects. Or I think, let me see if I can delete a project.
Would be cool to see AI tier list made by you.
Yeah, Jordan, I did have one.
I actually found it helpful to let Claude type organize my prompt, and then I paste it somewhere, lol.
I was thinking about that too for Jordan, if you go to techfren.net, my open source project, this coding AI tools tested, I did test and rank AI tools in April 14th. So a lot has changed since then, and like new things are coming out every day. So I just like stopped updating this. But yeah, I did kind of have like a tier list before, and Ader and Cursor are my goats.
Hard to keep up. Changes weekly / monthly.
Yeah, exactly. Let's see if I can delete this. Delete project. Nice. Okay, let's see if I can refresh and not lose all these settings, please. Yeah, I did lose all of those settings. Did I paste them? Oh, damn it. All right, let's. Yeah, participants please sign up and put a call out to request a match with other players in the area. Users could chat and organize matches. Users make profiles and put in info like their home club, their UTR rating, and their availability. I guess we'll just add every feature. Users can input scores after matches and see their match history. And let's play rating is also determined separate from UTR based on matches played in an ELO style.
You've reviewed a lot of software and apps. What would be your top pick? You can't choose Claude Dev or GPT-4o. How do you, folks?
Engineering apps, top pick. Yeah, I mean that goes back to the same thing. I think Cursor and Aider are my favorite. Yo, Bazooka, good to see you again. Where do we see those? Yeah, Cursor and Aider. Like this is, as I said, outdated, but they're still my top two favorite ones. And that's like kind of biased because I'm a software engineer, so obviously these are just code editors. They don't do the deployment and stuff, which is what Marbleism and all the other kind of tools I've tested today do, is the actual deployment, setting up the infrastructure, which is better for non-coding
Do
people.
you find you get better results using Claude Dev or Ada? Change your stream title to Cursor and Ada are my favorites, lol.
I would, but that's like deceiving because I'm not even using Cursor or Aider. But yeah, I think that title will actually do better. Hey, it's fine. Well, this still won't let me create it, even though I've okay. Well, I've copied this, so let me just close this completely and see if I can create a new project. Project. Oh, okay. Maybe it's 2 overall. Whoa, you see that plan? 1,500. Hire Michelangelo. Let us handle it for you. That's pretty cool. Low key want to pay for this. Oh, 2-hour workspace.
What are you
Unlimited
doing
workspace.
here? Can you give short description, please?
Yo, Vivek, yes, I'm trying this tool, Marbleism, to create a full stack app. And I want the app to kind of be like a matchmaking app for tennis players. Should I pay the $20? I think I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna pay it. Whoa, don't look at my screen, guys. We paid. Continue. Perfect. All right. Nice. Now it'll let me create it. Nice. Okay, I think this might take a little while. While that's doing that, I want to shout out to Wizard AI. From all the tools I've tested that like take long YouTube videos and make clips, I've liked Wizard's kind of user interface the most. It's very customizable. So I've put in my old
Man,
stream.
your channel is awesome. You are so truthful.
Oh, thank you. This is it. And it's giving me these clips, so we can kind of go through and check some of them out while... Oh no, that was done. Okay, we're going, sorry. Back to Marbleism. It's given us the pages that it thinks we need. So I'm kind of happy, I'm kind of glad that I gave it like a big description with everything. So homepage, as a user...
Last I tried Marbleism was a few months ago. Have they made any significant updates?
Good question. I'm actually on their Discord, so we can have a look at their... Oh shit, I didn't let...
Marbleism has a
know.
faster send to India API.
Shit, I press refresh. Marbleism has a what? Faster send to India API. Oh, they also have one of those India team. Forgot to tell everyone that I'm live.
Can you try to integrate a map with like local courts?
Yeah, that would be cool, Manveer. But that's kind of like a nice to have. Where's the Xcode? Oh, did I remove myself from it? Yo, I low key. No, it should be here. Here it is. Okay. Build a RAG app, workspace. There's so much. So you said a month ago, dude. This is all this month. They've done a lot of releases. Okay. User stories, yeah. So the first step in the user flow, they create user stories, which I think is pretty cool. So these are all user stories, which is a common way to start creating software. So that's kind of new as of a few months ago. May 30, upgrade, change servers, database explorer.
Oh, going agile.
Custom domains. Now they create full stack Next.js apps, hosting logs, hosting file storage. That's pretty good.
What is the fastest TTS API with humanized voice? I'm using 11 Labs, but it's kind of slow calls.
Oh, it's slow? 11 Labs definitely has the best quality. Not sure what the fastest is. Tariff, was it Pipecat? Is that a service? Oh no, it's open source. Pipecat's really good, it's open source, so I'm not sure if they have something you can
Parler
just
TTS.
plug into. Bazooka says Parler TTS.
Link is crazy fast. Thought it used 11 Labs though.
That's also like, any of these hosted though? Play AI? Play AI maybe? Yeah, this is Pipecat, right? I think this is Pipecat. Anyway, those are some suggestions you can look at. Okay. GitHub migration, workspace timeout, project modules. So many updates, pretty much. So yeah, let me walk through these user stories. As a user, I can see a list of match requests in my area. Yes, great.
Add a map page.
As a user, I can filter match requests based on criteria.
That's awesome.
I don't know if I want to add too much. Match request page. As a user, I can create a new match request. As a user,
do you find you get better results using Claude Dev or Ada?
I honestly haven't tried Claude Dev. Honestly, I think like all Claude Dev, Ada, and Cursor, you'll have pretty much the same result given the same prompt, because they're all running like Claude Sonnet on the back, right? So the only difference is maybe like their system prompt and like maybe some small differences into what they put into context. But it should roughly be the same, I think. Like maybe small differences. Review the details of specific match request and decide whether, as a user, I can accept or decline a match request. As a user, I can chat with other players. Yes, that's good. Match history, score input, player search page. Yeah, sure. Authentication, profile page. Sure, yeah, these all look good.
Did you test Redis for any AI project that uses API? Any examples?
Redis? No, I haven't used Redis at all, really. Is that what you mean, like the database thing, Redis?
Claude Dev made a neat landing page, which worked like an old computer terminal with no problems.
Oh, sweet. Yeah. How do you rate Claude Dev versus Cursor and Aider? For anyone in the chat who's tried Claude Dev, I haven't tried it, so let me know. Like, what is it specific about Claude Dev that makes it so good? Okay, now Marbleism's giving us our database tables. I think they'd be pretty normal. Might just click next. And now it's going to generate the front end pages. This might take up to 5 minutes. Okay, so for this step, we can go and look at some of the clips. Frustrating truths about softgen pricing. Oh yeah, this is my rant about softgen live stream. Yo, Ashish, what's up? I don't want to try softgen.
I mean,
People are
it's
saying this
all
is pretty good
SonetLink or
for
GPT-4
software
writing
engineering,
the
yeah.
code in these apps.
I
Exactly.
wonder why it calls me Matt and not Matt Farmer.
Oh, you Matt Farmer. I turned off last names for with project management.
Often paid.
Well, I ended up making
that.
2 accounts
Softgen's
with Claude
paid?
Dev. I capped
probably.
1-minute tokens so that it's crazy even with prompt caching. It's not cheap.
Yeah. No, Claude Sonnet is quite expensive. That's another reason why I like Aider is you can like easily swap models. I mean, I guess you can with Cursor as well. But are you locked into Claude with Claude Dev? Yo, Keegan, what's up? I hate how they don't tell you. They didn't even have a freaking pricing thing. Look, no mention of pricing. Only sign up. They get your email and then they're like, pay us now. If they do that, I'm gonna be upset. Yep.
Your live
Literally
is like team
exactly
programming
as
instead
soon
of
as you get
pair
off the
programming.
sign
So
up, they
cool.
get you to pay.
I'm a fan of Claude Dev. It's free plus API for 1 and it runs code. Claude Dev has prompt caching. You can use OpenRouter. No, you
Nice.
can pick your model with Claude Dev.
Nice,
Should I apply to work at Timmy's?
Where's Timmy's? Yo, Sala, what's up? Yo, Sala, by the way, Prince Jr. gifted you a sub on my YouTube. Josh, yeah, nice. So Aider has those features
Which
as
model
well.
do you like using with Aider for coding?
Aider you can also do caching and it's free plus API. But I guess like Claude Dev, it's an actual IDE, right? Whereas Aider, I think one of the main reasons people don't like Aider is because you have to run it in the terminal. What model do I use with Aider? Yeah, obviously Claude 3.5 Sonnet is the best for coding, hands down. And then the second best is DeepSeek Coder, but it's just a bit slower. So, you know, if I think something's simple enough, I'll try it with DeepSeek just to save money. But yeah, Aider has a UI. Yeah, they have the browser UI, but it's not as good.
Cursor.
Oh, if you would have gotten it today, Salah, you could gift someone else. Let's see what Bazooka has to say.
Cursor is excellent for general all-around use. The composer feature is friggin' great. Claude Dev is good for prototyping, I guess, maybe some front-end stuff. But Aider is something I can use at any team. And it almost always performs well. Cursor is stupid. I like DeepSeek, but sometimes I get Chinese output.
Yeah, I've heard people getting Chinese output with DeepSeek. It's pretty funny. So I think once I finish my Cursor subscription, I'm gonna try Super Maven in VS Code along with Aider.
I like Gemini
just
Copilot.
for the tab complete.
For RE Code Gen.
Gemini Copilot, really?
Cursor is some BS. Supermaven is really good.
Yeah, I think yeah, but
They
obviously
steal
Super
your
Maven's
info.
just tab completion and shit, right? Okay, nice. We have our Let's Play app.
I think. The
Let's
great
go.
thing is, it doesn't matter what somebody else uses. There's so many options, you can use whatever actually works for you specifically.
Yeah, the
I
good thing
pay
about
for
all of
Fume.
these coding
It's
tools
super fast too.
is that you know, they don't lock you in. They just make you the code and you can do whatever. Yeah, Super Maven, like that's like the whole big feature of it is like its speed, right? If this is gonna take a while, which I think it will, I might quickly go get a drink. Yes. Yeah. I'm gonna quickly get a drink. I'll be
And
back
Super
in
Maven
a
is
sec.
supported by Zed.
Peace. Oh, it's supported by Zed. Oh, as in like it's an
Rip, can
extension.
I get
yeah,
a
yeah.
job?
Is Prince Jr. in this live?
Yeah, you definitely can. But you need probably an impressive portfolio or experience at other jobs. All right, so let's try copy this prompt. Stylish woman walking down streets of Tokyo, blah blah blah. Bro, I remember
Hey
when
there,
this
Jimmy.
first came
Why
out.
did you
we were
leave, brah?
so
You live.
impressed. Yo, Shadow, thank you.
With
for
Ada you have to
joining.
provide the file
When
names
this
you
first
want to
came
work
out,
on
we were
Claude
so
Dev. You
impressed,
just tell it what you want
'cause it was
and it
unlike
searches for what
any
it
video
needs to
generation we've
use.
seen before.
What's the
like
most AI website builder is the best, you try it?
the most AI
Sorry,
website?
not looking that impressive anymore.
Yeah, I mean it's still pretty damn impressive, but with the other things coming out, like yeah, it's slowly taking away from how impressive it is. Best AI website builder.
How is the ML industry in Australia? Hello, 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 hello,
I keep
hello.
saying it depends on what kind of website.
Zed
for most
only
fun,
supports
I like
GH
WebSim,
Copilot
and it's
and
also free.
Supermaven.
For most
Supermaven and
professional
Cursor is
kind
kinda
of
the
landing
goat.
page, maybe like 10 web. For most functional, maybe like lazy or marbleism, like
If
that's
it
like
comes
start
out
doing
looking
more
like
apps.
me, I am suing Hotshot.
I mean, kinda. This is kinda your vibe. It doesn't say AI tools on your hat.
Yo chat, are you
but-
guys working on something?
Alright, for comparison, let's get
A
Matt
app project.
Farmer eating popcorn. Damn, there's no more Matt Farmer
Damn,
popcorn
I need
thumbnails.
denim. Best AI agent out there for
What is this
programming
error?
/
SGPTs convert link to link using FMPEG error, invalid argument convert link to link using FMPEG, invalid syntax error.
Wait,
Why?
what the fuck is going on? What did I miss? How is the ML industry in Australia? I'm not sure. Zed only supports GitHub Copilot and Super Maven. What is this error? SGPT convert GPT invalid error convert one invalid syntax. I don't know. Looks like something with your bash, probably. Yes, Claude is definitely the best LLM for coding. Oh, sick. Oh, it even generates images now. Yeah. TikTok inactivity detected all the time. Okay. Find your perfect tennis match. That's a landing page as featured on Y Combinator, supposedly. That's pretty cool. Okay, so we got the landing page. There's pricing, even though probably won't need pricing. Get started. SGPT. Do you have SGPT installed, Arash? Nice name, by the way. Let's register an account here. See, my name's also Arash. Do we suggest a password? Actually, let's do a password. I won't forget. Can you make iOS apps on Windows? Great question. I think you do need Xcode to publish it, but you can do like the creation of it with tools like React Native and Expo. If I'm not mistaken, I think you still need Xcode for the publishing. Okay, here we go. Match requests in your area. Find match requests. Okay. Obviously there's no requests. What options do I have here? Profile page. Okay, there's a profile page. Home page, match request page, chat page. Match request page. Is this the one where I can make a match request? Oh, we got an error. Can it fix this error? There's no like button to fix the error. But we can go match request page. No, we can't. What the hell? Won't let me switch. No errors detected. Scan. Interesting. Or just use a VM. Oh, sweet. There's like a scan button and it picks up all the errors. Except it didn't pick up this one. Interesting. And what if we click one? Does it fix the error? Clicked on the error. It opens up the VS Code. Exactly. Fix issues. Is that the same thing? Okay, so there's a fix issues button. Let's see what that does. Okay, so it's all the issues that we got from the other one. And we can press all to fix all issues. That's pretty cool. I haven't seen this kind of user interface before on any of the coding agents. Fix the TypeScript. Okay, sure. Fix them. I'm gonna bring my desk down.
Hey Arush, what do you think of the new Apple Intelligence that is being worked on, and can you make a review of it? Elon Musk said I won't let any employee with Apple Intelligence on enter Tesla HQ. What's your opinion?
I think Apple Intelligence or just AI in
I think since I am in Windows, this feature's not working.
I'm in Windows too, Arash. SGPT doesn't come with Windows though. You have to install it manually. Yeah, I think AI in the operating systems on the phone and on the computer makes a whole lot of sense. Like obviously AI with Apple, that's a no-brainer. Of course, Elon's gonna have issues with you know, that kind of stuff, but Apple's already sending all your info probably to something if they were doing it anyway. Like the introduction of AI is not going to make too much difference. And you'd also hope that they do it in a smart way. Obviously, they said they're going to have the on-device AI to do all the like privacy sensitive stuff. So it's all about execution at the end of the day. The idea is like an obvious one. I think the idea is definitely going to need to happen, but the execution is, yeah. Prides, what's up? Do you know how to get a stream URL from TikTok? It's not easy, man. I wish I had one myself. You need to either be a part of an agency that has it, and not all of the agencies. There's a lot of like scammy agencies that say they can give you a key, but they don't. But yeah, you need to get someone affiliated with TikTok that can get you it. There's no process otherwise, but also, Pricey, you can stream without a key using Streamlabs. So if you're on Mac and you're trying to stream, you can use Streamlabs. But yeah, I'm just using TikTok Live Studio at the moment. So I'm using their official app. Why do you need it? Streamlabs is asking for a key? No, it shouldn't. You can like auth without a key on Streamlabs. I've done it before. Yeah. Are we still getting errors? I've detected still errors. Looks like less errors though. But it's not this error. Look at the actual error for this one. Where is Pridesy? Is this free? Says Dr. Anon. Marbleism has a free tier. Let me show you guys. 2 projects and a 2-hour workspace for free. I just paid for the $20 a month. You get 3 projects and unlimited like iterations and stuff. Fortunately, having a lot of issues with debugging. Is Linux the best for privacy and programming? It's definitely really good for privacy and programming, but the best is pretty subjective, I'd say. Marbleism has a lot of issues. It is looking like that. But like honestly, it tried to do a lot in one shot. So it'd be like really surprising if all of it just worked straight out of the bat. So I'm gonna spend like, I don't know, 10, 15, 20 minutes just like trying to debug all the issues one by one and see if we get something stable. I'm pretty like most curious about to see if the chat would work. Okay. It won't let me change the page. That's pretty annoying. Like that's definitely a major bug. Like why can't I change the page I'm trying to chat about? Let's try refresh. You get stuck in loops. Don't like that. Okay, nice. I could change the page. Let me try get that error again. Dashboard. It seems to like kind of have this whole SAS vibe hard coded. Like I don't need dashboard and stuff, but that's something we should be able to prompt out. Okay. Be good if I get the line numbers of this exact error. Doesn't look like I can. Let me see if I can just upload the error I get on this page and see what it says. Oh, and even though it says match request page up here, this isn't the match request page, I'm pretty sure. Here's what I'm planning to do. Fix the unhandled thing by ensuring the turning are not null. Okay, sounds good.
Imagine if they made like a full clone of Makers for Linux.
Yeah, it's not the right page.
Can you use interpreter /01 with a microphone?
Yeah, that's the whole point of interpreter. It's like a voice thing. Damn, that's not working. Kind of low-key want a refund. See if I downgrade, does it? What happens? Oh, let's not show my billing info.
Seems like that site is hella broken.
Yep.
Salah, depending on your needs, I would go with Pop OS, it's solid. If Marbleism was popping, we'd know it LOL.
Exactly. Actually, that's a huge
I
point.
would do a charge back.
Bro, I see through. That's like exactly that's a reason I don't test like a lot of these apps. especially if they've
TechFren,
been
you know
around
you
for
can
a
install
while.
Linux on your Mac Silicon.
Yeah, sure. It's like if it's not popping and like I don't see overwhelming people saying, "Wow, this is amazing," it's like a pretty good sign that this tool isn't good. Okay. Maybe it'll be like a donation form. Okay. This is quite can be buggy and can be buggy. Lazy is good. I feel like this is the most reliable of the full stack app generators. What was data button again? What was the pricing on that one? $50 a month, man. It's crazy. Yeah. Lazy.
No need to install Linux on your Mac.
Was pretty
That's
good.
a stupid idea. I have fully installed CMDR and SGPT, and both are working, but your convert command not working. Sad smiley.
Can you use
I
SGPT
heard
at all?
about drag and drop features in
Can you just do
OpenHands,
like
Devon.
SGPT
Now, not sure what that is all about. Haven't checked it yet.
Can you do this, Arash? SGPT high? Does that work? Drag and drop features in OpenHands. Not sure what that's about. Neither do I. Neither do I, my good sir. Okay, what do we want to work on? At this stage. I did want to shout out to Ideogram. I mean, not Ideogram.
SGPT, hi, hello, how can I assist you today?
Yeah, perfect. Okay, so SGPT is working. There's probably something wrong with your syntax in the convert command. AI rap battle.
Nice flow. Alright, here I go. In this digital domain, I'm the rhyming machine. Spitting bites so clean, it's like you've never seen. Your words
I like
might
the
sting, but I
emojis.
don't feel the burn. I'll just keep spitting facts everywhere you turn. Now, bring the heat if you got more to say. I'm here all day, ready to play.
That's so cool. Hey, oh shit. Dude, the make it better prompt is so good. Thank AI
Damn,
won't replace
OpenAI
software
walking
engineers.
around with a backpack full of spray paint,
Hype on
a
YouTube
hoodie,
these days
and
is
a
that AI is
microphone.
going to replace all the software engineers. I think that's crap, and I've been.
Okay. I kind of want to try Super Maven.
Have you
What's
tried
their
coding
pricing
with Open
like?
Interpreter? As in building an application?
Coding with Open Interpreter, yeah, ages ago. I don't think it's the best tool for coding. But they are releasing a developer update, which I don't know. Have they released that yet? I think they released a preview for it. I think they're releasing an update specifically for developers. Okay, that's not it. I don't think they've fully released it yet. A developer update preview. Okay, it's like a pre-release. They don't specifically say what will change the way you program. They haven't fully released this yet, but it looks like they're taking some efforts to make programming with Open Interpreter better. I don't know, we'll see. What's the pricing on Super Maven? $0 a month, fast. You don't have... This is pretty good.
That guy's videos that only talks about RE, all his videos are shit, and he doesn't know what he's talking about, and makes up a lot of stuff.
Wait, which guy?
I was curious if you switched it to the JavaScript profile to code a JS app, would it do better since the default profile is Python?
Yeah, it definitely would. I see through. Wait, Dark Sky, who are you talking about? Which guy's video? Yeah, just look at this Super Maven, like, it's like almost instant tab completion. I find the normal tab completion speed of all the other tools to be like too slow. Like you have to wait a whole second. Whereas Super Maven's super fast. So I was thinking like if I move on to Aider, one drawback of Aider is it doesn't have tab completion and stuff, right? So it's like if you combine that with Super Maven, I think that'll be really sick.
The bald guy from your shorts saying that RE will replace software developers.
No, he was saying they won't. But yes, I agree that he talks a lot of shit. Like, he's like one of the reasons that Devon got called a scam and stuff.
That'll be really cool.
When it's like, Devon wasn't a scam. It was just overhyped. And, yeah, like they never really, I mean, they did make it seem like any demo does this. Like, most tech demos make the tool seem a lot better than it actually is, and that's kind of what Devon did. But they didn't really like
I think
do
that
any
Devon hit
false
Beast
claims.
was one of his first vids.
Yeah, that's what got him famous.
RE engineer, anyways.
Yeah, okay, yeah, that's true. It wasn't the first. Oh, dude, so many other companies are saying they're the first XYZ, first AI XYZ when they're not. It kind of pisses me off, but to their credit, it actually really helps their marketing. That's why I want to say Clickerless Cage is the first open source internet agent, but I know it's not because they had Taxi AI.
Media hyped up Devon way more than Cognition did.
Yeah, no, definitely.
He just talks and doesn't show any facts, and rushes to call something a scam, before even getting correct information. Devon is overhyped shit that could easily be made.
Yeah, I mean, we've seen all the Devon clones now that are like beating Devon to market.
I have Devon. Sama.
Yeah, Bazooka has Devon terminally. Alright. Maybe we can go down to here. Oh, the Sam 2. This is ages. This is kind of old news now, but the segment anything model by Meta is really impressive. And in my experience, these models actually work a lot better with locating stuff in user interfaces compared to typical like VLMs, vision language models.
Yeah, I got an invite a week or so ago.
But it looks like this demo, it's like only for already uploaded videos. But you can see you can easily segment.
I posted some images of the UI in the Discord, but I haven't tried it yet.
You can easily
By the time
segment.
they actually let people use Devon, the price will probably be wild.
Yeah, I don't know. The thing is, like, Devon, I'm hoping they fixed it now, but the first time people used it, it would take hours to do something. And that's like constantly iterating and prompting an LLM over hours. It'd be so expensive for them. But yeah, unfortunately, this demo doesn't look like we
For
can
him to
upload
say
a
Devon
video.
is a scam is really stupid, because it's not a scam because it did what the person told them to do, so he has to blame the person that feed it information and not the RE.
Yeah. Yeah, I think the scam calling was a bit unjust as well.
Devon is sure 1T.
Yeah, the clickerless is in the chat.
Agree, what you dark sky.
Yeah, Sam 2 on Hugging Face or no? We do. Oh, but not a space. Kind of want to see Sam 2 predictor. Sam 2
Devon will be good once it's faster.
demo. Yeah. Okay. Let me upload a picture of my calendar.
Devon is 10 frigging people team with insane investors. Everyone on the Cognition team are super genius level 10x engineers. Devon took too long. It's still in beta, and they are way more better options in long run. I can see Gemini Copilot or Gemini or GPT being used for software engineer.
This isn't very good. This isn't...
Right, it's been forever. Nobody cares anymore, lol.
How big is the Sam 2 model?
Puck Devon.
Oh.
It took too long.
Yeah. No, I'm all about open source, and it seems like we're getting like some good open source competitors. Speaking of which, let's have a look at Devon on GitHub.
I
see
see
if they've
through
made any
here,
updates.
pretty much lol now that they have Devon clones in the browser now.
Yeah, in the browser too. Oh, they don't have any releases on Devon.
But someone gonna make some crazy money.
Oh, shit, nothing in 3 weeks. Okay, what's the stream duration?
Open Devon is now open hands. Imagine a day where Ari controls your PC, and you can't do nothing.
Pretty good.
What is S in your SGPT?
S is the flag to make it give a shell command. Did you do space S? You gotta do SGPT space S, and then space something in quotes. Where's open hands?
In mine it says S, max tokens int strict length of output, tokens, default 2048.
Yeah, that's fine.
Not
Last
that one.
year? No, that's not this. Open Devon, yeah, I just realized it wasn't that. This one. Nice, 3 hours.
Can you make your own LLM by accessing the data in Gemini and copy pasting? Or some
what, like
other AI?
training an LLM by synthetic data generated from Gemini? Yeah, theoretically. Realistically, I think that would be very hard to do, like especially pre-training. Okay, a lot of updates.
Open Hans, Devika, Devon all have errors constantly after you use it for too long.
Yeah.
Compared to Devina, you don't get any errors, it's just slow.
Are you saying that from experience? Have you tried Devon AI? Like actual Devon? Okay, it's nice to see that this is being
Can you
actively
copy
worked on.
Gemini, GPT, Claude, Marm, etc. and make your super AI? Train Imina?
Theoretically, yes. Realistically, it'll be difficult. It's so funny how open
I think he is
Devon
talking
is
about
literally robocoders. Oh, Devon. Yeah, Devon was really good. But we just checked their GitHub and they haven't updated in 3 weeks, whereas Open Hands looks like they're updating
Did
pretty
anyone
regularly.
do that yet?
Well, arguably all the models probably train off each other,
I'm
man.
on the waiting list for actual Devon, but I've seen people use it and it's great but slow. Combine all available data.
Yeah.
And
No, he's
train the
talking about real
LLM.
Devon.
Devon is cool, I just think they need a software engineer to fix Devon's code. Oh yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. Sure, alright. Web app voice agent, smashed models. Oh, this is what I wanted to do. I wanted to
I
run...
like how they build Devon with Devon, Ada with Ada, etc.
Yeah,
Devon
no,
is an
they
urban
definitely
legend.
should. They
How
definitely
it should be. Fmad, that is so true.
LM leaderboards. I want to see how 3.5 does. I think I downloaded it. I've always wanted to run a benchmark on this. Wait, there was someone in the Discord that ran a benchmark kind of recently. Let me see how it was.
Can we get a more human voice for TTS and not Stephen Hawking?
Yeah, no, I do want a more human voice.
The link isn't the good one. The link Mo is the good one, and it's not on Llama's CPP yet.
I'm definitely gonna fix the TTS voice, hopefully.
I had a successful run with Autogen for like the first time yesterday. Frigging hate Autogen.
Why are you using Autogen, bro? I've given up on Autogen so long ago. It's 3.5 mixture
He's
of
dead,
experts.
and I
That's the good
hate
one.
listening to him.
That's not on Llama CPP yet. Oh, all right. Maybe hold on. Let's see how I can change the voice. I think I might be able to change it kind of fast here.
I was messing with AutoGroke.
Yeah. All right. I only have like robotic ones, but let's do a female, Catherine. See how
Fuck
this
Stephen Hawkins.
is. All right, we got female Stephen. We got Stefania Hawkins now. Oh, we got a new release for in this version. We fixed the chat migration. Patch Gemma 2. Bug fixes. Model code. Yeah, that's fine. We don't need that. Did I download Fi 3.5? Okay, yeah. No, obviously this isn't the smart one, but it's the small. Like this one, you can run on your phone, dude. It's so small. 2.39 gigabytes, 3 billion parameters. I want to see how a model so small.
Have you tried AutoGroke to making quick workflow or agents for crew or Autogen?
I briefly tried AutoGroke, but nothing practical from me, unfortunately. All right, let me try load Fi. Let's see how
If this is so random, but you willing to check out my clothing stream and see the clothes? Mad randomic. Link gigabytes seems massive to me, enough to satisfy any hard drive.
Yeah, I can check your clothes out.
We are just an advanced breed of monkeys on a minor planet of a very average star. But we can understand the universe. That makes us something very special. Stephen Hawking. Do IT. My techfren.
Okay.
Small LM has some very small models out there. They are fun.
No, I think like best bang for buck is this Fi 3.5 mini, man. I think this is gonna be like
Dark Sky, you're a Jubus.
the best for this model. But how do we run these benchmarks? Contributing to the benchmarks. Here we go. Shader coding benchmark, background usage,
Done.
install, and set up
ASO.
to run the benchmarks.
Even if there is only one possible unified theory, it is just a set of rules and equations.
Dark sky, wow.
What is it that breathes fire into the
Clone.
equations and makes a universe for them to
Let's
describe?
do this.
The usual approach of science of constructing a mathematical model cannot answer the questions of why there should be a universe for the model to describe. Why does the universe go to all the bother of existing? Stephen Hawking. Allah Akbar. Dark matter is a myth, Darksky, ha ha. Ha ha ha.
I like this TTS. Make dear temp benchmarks. Git clone exorcism Python.
I definitely didn't go to Epstein Island with Stephen Hawking.
Epstein.
Islam is the only truth, my God guide chat.
Copy the practice exercises.
You like it now, but the singing one, I hated it.
The singing one was so much better, dude. I wish we had that kind of those TTS.
For millions of years, mankind lived just like the animals.
Oh, you need a Docker?
Then something happened which unleashed the power of our imagination. We learned to talk and we learned to listen. Speech has allowed the communication of ideas, enabling human beings to work together to build the impossible. Mankind's greatest achievements have come about by talking, and its greatest failures by not talking. It doesn't have to be like this. Stephen Hawking is 6 feet underground.
Bro, I don't think I can even run this benchmark shell script.
Its water apes and slightly less formed prefrontal cortex. Dead.
That's sad, bro. I don't have Docker. What happens if I just try run
Allah Akbar. Docker is fine if it doesn't require running the desktop app and eating up even more RAM. LOL. My expectations were reduced to 0 when I was 21. Everything since then has been a bonus. The Science of Second Guessing, New York Times
run Bash
Magazine
in
interview, the 12th of December, 2004.
No, we can't run this benchmark, dude. This is a bash.
What's the
only
longest you
benchmark.
can sit and work on your computer, Arish?
Depends if I'm in the flow state. Hours, maybe like, I don't know, 4 hours. I don't like to. I like to take a break every 20 minutes, but when we're streaming, I think I like to go for at least an hour, which we've already
It
crossed.
surprises me how disinterested we are today about things like physics, space, the universe and philosophy of our existence, our purpose, our final destination. It's a crazy world out there.
But yeah.
Be curious.
How do I get in the flow? When things start working and like it's like challenging and not too challenging. It's like a perfect balance of something being challenging and fun. You get in the flow state and then you just keep working. But yeah, I think we are definitely not in the flow state right now, and we tested all the software engineering agents I could find. The rubric, I feel like, hold on, let me see if we can update this rubric without, because all this like context and stuff is no longer that necessary. Like previously we used to see like, could it even edit multiple files in context? Like that used to be something that like not everything could do. But now these days, like everything is kind of possible. There's so, like what even is Fume dev? I don't even remember this. Maintain software on autopilot, automate software with AI. Do people even use this?
We're not launching an AI software developer today. It's more like an overly excited intern, but it turns out there are some advantages in using LLMs for small software back office work. I'm talking fixing small bugs, improving the UX, or some QA work. To achieve that, we had to solve 3 major problems. First was giving Fume all the tools it needed.
Yeah, I drink coffee and I prefer to Edge over Goon.
In an isolated development environment. We call them studios. These enable Fume to use all the tools that an engineer has usually have access to. A code editor, a browser, and a Unix terminal. These are also persistent, so as a team, you can set up a studio for your client application, and Fume will be able to reuse that same setup across tasks. Second was enabling Fume to plan out long, complex tasks and run them in the background. Now, Fume can just clear a backlog one by one without you having to do much. You can also check on its progress via the web app. With all 3 combined, Fume can do pretty neat stuff. For example, you can connect Fume to your linear workspace and it will pre-explore all of your tickets. Sometimes it will get you as far as submitting a complete PR, and other times it will just find the relevant code and share its work, so a human engineer can pick up where Fume left. We also shared some of the cool stuff that Fume can do right now in other videos. If you're interested, Fume is available to anyone. You can just... We're not launching. Fume is available to anyone. You can just go over to fumedev.com and book a time with us. We will get you onboarded with Fume over those 30 minutes. There are no waitlists. Thank you.
Book a time? Should we do it? Why do I edge? Oh, you agree gooning is a superior choice.
Hey guys, today we are back with another video.
Sorry, Arash, I don't know your problem.
We're not launching it.
Alright, let's... It'd be good if we sign up to Fume and then stream the call. Book a demo. Here we go. Tomorrow at... Oh man, these times aren't great. 7:30 a.m. So that's about 5 hours ago tomorrow. We can do that. Is it okay if I stream to techfren channels? Let's see. Average ejaculation enthusiast. Okay, alright, says remove E. What's dash E? Are you sure you want to delete this file? Do you want to execute this command? Exit status 1. Did you press Y and enter? You go into techfren streams? Turn on TTS? No, bro. You guys are saying some wild shit. Yo, tune in tomorrow, 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We'll check out Fume Dev. I am edge to this. Alright, I'll turn on TTS. Go ahead.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode where we solve tasks from real GitHub projects with Fume. Today, we saw this tweet from Jared, a YC partner.
My boy Arash.
And we wondered which one of our favorite SaaS apps lacks this Confetti feature to make us happy every day. And what came up to our mind was the open source scheduling software cal.com. So we asked Fume to do it. Let's see how it went.
So, for Fume to be able to develop this feature for cal.com, it needs a studio.
Solar, put
but
your junk
we were kind
away.
of too lazy
No
to
one
set up
wants to
cal.com,
see
so we
that.
asked Fume to do it
I
after we
love
cloned the whole
Cal
project.
Ari.
So when we asked if it
I
could set up the
scan, it
cal.com
tracks
project
everything.
into the studio, it first
In
opened up the README, and
nutrients.
luckily it was able to follow all the instructions and set up cal.com for development.
I think you got a wrong Cal AI. I don't think it scans it.
You pigger.
Then here comes the fun part.
I'm joking.
We gave Fume an example account and asked it to add colorful balloons flying around every time we signed in. Well, building this balloons animation turned out to be harder than we first imagined. It had to use a custom JavaScript animation library and do the balloons itself. It did
Major.
it. There were some balloons on the screen, but they didn't look good, so we weren't satisfied. Then we pivoted to confettis. Well, luckily there was a already existing library for confetti animations called Canvas Confetti, and Fume was able to implement it with a breeze. Well, keep in mind this is a very large code base, and Fume had to know exactly where to put this confetti animation for it to function properly. And after some iteration, Fume was able to finish it, and it tested it and saw the confetti itself, so we can see it by ourselves, right? To test it, we're just going to come back to our studio here, and I'm going to make this browser bigger, and we're going to log into an example account.
That's its own browser?
And now you will see how the confetti works.
In the browser? It looks like a Linux VM.
Here you go. Sorry for the low frame rate of this machine.
That's awesome, dude. It has its own
SMHTTS
VM.
hates
Just
me.
like that, cal.com is more festive than ever.
It tracks
Here,
your
if you
food.
like this, we can send the PR anytime. Just give us the word.
I don't
Thank
think
you so
Cal
much for
AI
watching
tracks your
this.
food.
See you in the next
It's
time.
a calendar scheduling app. Bro, that's sick, man. All right, I'm glad I randomly chose to, because I was like, what the
Its
fuck
own
is Flume
browser
Dev?
is better than Edge. It does. TTS is anti-gooning confirmed.
What the hell?
Search up. Cal
Cal-
Ari.
No, this is different, bro. This is different. This is not it. This is, they're talking about cal.ai. It's an open source scheduling app. It's completely different to Cal AI app on mobile.
Yeah, but it's good.
Yeah, but it's sure.
Try it. Bro.
Yeah, bro, I'm totally
You should
bulking.
make
I want
an
to be
app
a
that tracks
sick
calories
boxer.
burned while gooning.
That'd be pretty good. Let's see, automate test.
Well, creating tests, especially
You can do that in
ones, is
Woodband.
notoriously laborsome.
Yeah,
So we
Wood
were
for
curious how would Fume handle it.
Fitbit.
We got this open source repo called Mern Social from GitHub. Thank you for this repo. And we asked Fume, can you create an end-to-end test for sharing a new post? And we said, hey, we've never written any tests for this project before, so set it up from scratch using Jest. And Fume understood the assignment and looked over the package.json and saw Jest was not installed, so it did that. And after that, it first
Is it true
looked
that
at the
Brian is
relevant
better than
code
you at
pieces
Smash now?
and identified
I think you are
relevant,
turning into Tyler Duran from Fight
classes,
Club.
IDs, or any other
But the
identifier
face
we
your
could use
looks.
to write the tests.
This is Hyperbeam API for embed
Another
virtual
important
web.
part that it identified which APIs were used in the flow that it was required to test, and
Hyperbeam?
it created mocks for them. After all of this was done, Fume moved on with creating this new test, and it's here. It's under tests folder. I can show you. Here is a new test file that Fume created.
I
And
once
even
sat on a
after
Great
creating
American
it,
Challenge for
it faced
24
some
hours.
dependency issues. First, it was
What
some
time
missing
is it there,
dependencies,
Arish?
and then some version conflicts. Some usual
12:37.
stuff an engineer has to deal with every day. And it debugged them very successfully. And at the end, it was able to
Dude,
run
this is
the
actually
test,
pretty
but
sick. Obviously it's a demo and we can't
What?
trust demos, but pretty bullish about
I'm in Canada.
Fume. But they don't have like
It's
a
9
Discord or
p.m.
anything.
almost. No, not November must be like the Olympics for you thompist. You're in Australia.
Yeah, Australia. Nice, man. Should we look at a random other one? What's Plandex?
Couldn't be easier, you're right.
One's open source. Oh, I've briefly seen this one. Bro, there's so many of these now.
Plandex like Ada.
Plandex like Ada.
Hey there.
Do they have any unique features? Bro, that VM feature that Fume Dev has is freaking hype. I feel like it would make it expensive though. What's Ducky? Bro, there's so many. YC is like investing in like every coding AI. There's like 400,000. Do they have a website?
Thompist, you should get married to third world country girl, you will quit that addiction. YC went insane this year.
Legit, man. They just went hard.
Hook me up, Salah.
Find resolutions, investigate error
And have a
logs,
cookie
and diagnose
cleaner.
technical issues. Let's jump straight into it.
Searches knowledge base and yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. I think I'm gonna end
Is your
stream.
Nicholas Case extension finished and working?
Oh, Dark Sky, thanks for mentioning that. Will end with me. Yeah, I've released version 0.01 on GitHub. If you go
Cage.
to AJ47, Clickless Cage, go to releases. There is a build V0.01.
Go to the Philippines and search up Tinder, then pick up a girl to your place forever.
Yeah, V01, you just download the zip file and you can load it into Chrome. Looks like this. And yeah, it works for very
Ha, ha,
basic
ha, ha,
stuff.
ha, ha.
It's obviously still very early days. It can break a lot, but it works for basic stuff. So let's say you
So
on.
I'll look up 4 girls finger paint.
Gross. I assume you're on YouTube, so I'm gonna say go.
It is
on
arse Arish.
YouTube.
She might distract me from my
and
professional
see
gooning.
techfren
I tried it.
oh shit! I pressed S. Go to the YouTube page for techfren. Go into their live stream and type
Cake
in
farts
the live
then.
chat. Let's see if this works. I don't know if it'll work. Okay, techfren YouTube channel. I Google searched it. It clicked the first link. It went into the about. Oh, clicked. Oh, click the live video. Let's go. Oh, click the live video. Let's go. Move this.
Hey Arish, search up
click
4
the live
girls
video.
finger paint.
Move this.
Hey Arish, search up 4 girls and you can end stream.
I'm gonna mute this. No, definitely not searching that. Okay, it looks like it got stuck here. Maybe we can type in the chat. Type in the chat box and press send. Okay, so as you can see, it kind of works sometimes, not all the time, but it's open source and I'm hoping someone will help me make it better. But yeah, click Alyssa's in the chat. Oh, I can't do it. Can't do click Alyssa. Oh wait, yeah, I can. What the fuck? No, it disappeared. What? Nice. All right. Yeah, thanks for joining, guys. And I'll see you apparently tomorrow morning at 7:30 my time. So it's about 20, or it's actually probably like 19 hours away from now. Don't end. I'm sorry, Sala. There will be a period of outro music, and I'll leave TTS on, so you guys can enjoy. Who is the biggest bad? It's one of my favorite songs. We'll listen to. I think this one.
Biggest bad. Probably why you're so mad.
Thank you, guys.
Harry Thompson is the biggest bad. Probably why he's so mad. Harry Thompson is the biggest bad.
TTS? Oh, I thought I did turn on TTS.
Probably why he's so mad.
It should be on.
Harry
I
Thompson
don't know why it's
is
not
the
working.
biggest bad. Probably why he's so mad.
Oh, why isn't TTS working?
Thompson is the biggest bad.
Oh, I think. Wait, no, that doesn't make sense.
Probably
either.
why he's so mad.
Fred again? Occasionally, not really.
Probably why he's so mad.
How many hours? 19, 18. Hold on, let me tell you exactly how many hours.
Probably why he's so
30.
Harry Thompson is the biggest bad. Probably why he's so mad.
Yeah, 19 hours. Like 19 and a half hours.
Biggest bad.
19 and a half hours. Anyway, see you guys.
Chatting layers, agent smart, auto GPT. That's just the frontline to Angular. We've seen it all. Tech stacks rising up, then they fall. And now there's a new kid on the block. LLM stack, it's time to rock.